welcome. I'd like to first go over some introductory information about 12.3, the written expressions. And I've got IXL up here to help you with R1. That's the section we're going to be working on. And I've got my textbook open to 526. So I really encourage you to have your textbook open, and let's work this together. The first question that we have says, write an expression for the operation described below. D minus 9. So I'm going to look over in my textbook and I'm going to say, where do I see minus? Oh, here it says minus. Now, this is a pretty simple one. I'm just going to type the letter D. I'm going to put my dash for the minus. 9. This stands for multiplication. This is division. We don't have that yet. So we submit and we're good. We have 10 divided by s. Now here we have division, so I'm going to click this, and I'm going to say, what is divided by what? We have 10 divided by s. Remember, the fraction bar means division. Submit, we're correct, we're good so far. C minus 8. Again, subtraction, just like before. We're good to go. Let's keep going. Product. What does product tell us? Let's look over here. Where is product? Oh, there it is. The answer to a multiplication problem. So the product of what? D, the variable. This stands for multiplication. 4, all we do is type in the expression. That's all we're doing. Let's keep going. 6 plus W. So 6, I found my plus sign on the equation. I'm sorry, on the keyboard. We're good to go. Raise u to the 8th power. Now, what are we doing with raising a power to a power? This is exponents. So here we have u and then raise to the 8th power. The power always goes above. Z multiplied by y. Now this may tell us something else. I'm going to see if it works, because the correct way to say it is how we have over here. Notice in our textbook it says 8 multiplied by 2, but they wrote it 2 times 8. Really, 2 times 8 is 16. If you were to switch them, 8 times 2 is 16. It's going to be the same answer. But for subtraction and division, the order matters. For example, look at the subtraction. 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. That's a big difference. So with subtraction and division, the order of the numbers do matter. Addition and multiplication, it doesn't. But I'm going to see if IXL gets it wrong here. So really, according to our textbook, if it says 8 multiplied by 2, we should write 2 times 8, because this is saying that we have the number 2, and we're multiplying 8 to it. Here, z times, well, we have the dot, times y is going to get the same answer. So you're fine. Here we have the power, again, u. And what power do we raise it to? The 3rd power, so we're good there. Let's keep going. 7 plus t. The challenge zone. And look at that, we're already up to 90. And that was pretty fast. 7 minutes. I started at 4 minutes. The difference of 7 and D. Oh, what does difference mean? Well, let's look at these numbers. Difference. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So the difference of 7 and D. It works out in the same order, so we're good. T fewer than 9. What is fewer than? Well, we don't actually see it up here, but this looks like the same thing. Less than is the same thing as fewer than. It's going to be subtraction. So t minus 9. No. Because look what this says. 6 less than 9. Again, the order matters. So this is saying t fewer than 9. So that means we start at 9 and t is the fewer than. So it is. I'm going to type in t minus 9, and it should tell us that is incorrect. And this is why. It's because the fewer than actually tells us to swap it. This keyword tells you to start with 9 and to take away the t. So 9 minus t is different then t minus 9. What if t was the number 2? What is 9 minus 2? 7. What is 2 minus 9? Negative 7. That's a big difference. So it drops us pretty far down. I'm going to let you keep going. This should get you all the way through. I hope it helps. And if not, let me know, and I'll be sure to help.